You guys, today I'm going to teach you how to take 5 to 10 candles on the human crash market. All right, this strategy is the strategy you don't want to miss. For to get the deal of the strategy, try to watch the video to the very end, and you're going to get the information you need to know about this strategy. All right, so you don't want to miss out of this crazy and amazing strategy. By seeing it already, you know that this strategy is going to be a bomb. It's going to be a crazy one. All right, stay tuned as I take you through on how to use this strategy. Now, before I continue in this video, I want to bring to your notice that HumbleFx family is bringing to you a 1 year trading marathon that will start by the next year, 2nd of January. We're going to be starting our 1 year marathon trading challenge. So what is required to do this is that you are going to have at least $13 account equity on your MT5, okay, and then you need to also join the marathon with just $10. That is the connection. That is your connection fee, because we are going to buy copiers. We are going to buy VPSs, large ones that can contain us that are going to do it. Remember, this is a risk you are taking. I'm not responsible for your loss. If there are a tendency of us to lose the account, there are tendency of us to grow the account. Now, this is how it works. I'm going to trade on all the accounts at once. So that is why I'm buying a copier and a VPS. So once you pay your $10 connection fee, you send me you fund your MT5 with $30 only, and then you send me your login details. I'll connect it to my own account. So each time I place trade on my own account, it will also activate on your own account. Okay, so this is a 1 year trading marathon. I have my plans drafted, so that plan is for me alone. Is very confidential to me, so I'm not sharing that plan. All right, but it's going to be meant for 1 year trading. So our aim is to grow account from $30 to $70,000 by the end of 2024. So you want to join this 30 marathon? Check on this video description. You're going to see a link to my Telegram handle on my WhatsApp. You send me a message and get yourself registered for this account, for this trading marathon. And remember, the condition is this: we are going to be sharing profit every week for the 1 year. So as we are proceeding, as our equity is going up, there might be changes in the terms, but for now we are sharing profit every week. So if you're ready and you want to risk it, you want to risk your $14 for this, then you get in touch. If you're not, if you know you cannot risk your $40, don't contact me. All right, so this is a risk that you're going to take. Tendency to lose the account is there, and the tendency to force to grow it is still there. It all your choice. And this is not for everybody. Like I said, it's just for few persons. If I get 5 persons, I'm okay with that. If I get 1 person, I'm okay with that. If I get no one, I will do it myself, and I will show you guys result later. So those that want to take the bold step, come up with your $14, 30 for your own account funding, 10 for your connection fee. Then let's get started. Now, that being said, let's get to the video of today. Let's get back to our video for today. Now, this is a strategy I just got and is doing very, very great. As you can see on my chart, is amazingly doing very, very great. Okay, now let me show you. Sorry about that call. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about, what I want to do. All right, the settings for this strategy is just, let me show you the settings first. Now in the main chart, we have 2 indicators in the main chart, which is the first one is the moving average period 10, shoot is 0, method is linear weighted, and apply to weighted close HLCC4. I choose 4 pixels of green. You click on done. Now the next one is Bollinger Bands. Period is 5, deviation is 0.5, shift is 0, apply to previous indicators data. I choose 3 pieces of brown. right? The next indicator, now if you have done that, you should have your main chart looking this beautiful, this amazing, and all that. So now the next indicator here is the relative strength index. I choose period of 7, apply to close. I choose 3 pieces of white, and the levels here I use 50, 20, 80, 10, and 90. These are the levels for the relative strength index. Then once you do that, you are good to go, and then your chart will look something like this, right? It will look something like this. Right now, what are the trading entries? What are the trading confirmations? How do you take entry with this strategy and all that? Now, first of all, you want to see your RSI going above level 80 or 90. Then you want it to you want to still see it coming down from level 80 or level 90. All right, that is the first entry confirmation. And the next entry confirmation is you want to see the green crossing the green line crossing the brown lines. The green line is the 10 moving average. The brown lines is the 5 period Bollinger Band. So you want that to happen. So once this is happening like this, you're going to take your entry as soon as that the cross has finished the close about a candle. Then you enter your candle for you enter your trade for seven uh, candles or 10 candles. All right, and then you get out of the market. Now look at this one too. We have something happening here. The market is uh, going above, coming down from level 80, and it's crossing over somewhere here. So you take your entry right about there, and you take your 7 to 10 candles, and you get out of the market. Now look at this particular point here. This one happened. It happened right about here, but look at this place. There's no cross. There is no cross. That's why I said when it cross, you wait for at least one candle to finish forming. All right. If you say if at the cross of this small cross here, you waited for a candle to close, this thing wouldn't have happened. So this candle that spiked would have closed before we take entry. All right. So you have to wait for the candle that made it cross to close before you take your entries. Right now, you check more here. Now we had a stop loss hit here. It's not a holy grail, like I said. The market has actually okay. This is not a good entry though, because it's not above 80. So these entries here are not valid. Right, those are not valid. Now look at this here. We had a valid entry here. It come here and then it's crossing over here. Then what happened? We had a shutdown. That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. Let me show you. That is how it is. Now look at here too. If you look somewhere here, we see that there is crossing above this level 80, and then downside. Now here is crossed. At least we got our 7 to 5 candles in this in this place before the spike happened. So it happens virtually every time. It happened virtually every single time. Now let me show you again. This is just me trying to show you how these things work, guys. Now this is it. This is it, guys. And what happened? We had a market shoot down. We had a market shoot down. Simple as that. Now let us check more. Let us check more. Let us check more. And look at here too. We had the market crossing here. We had market crossing here. And then what's next? We have we had the shut down of the market like this. Simple as this. Now let me check. Let us check also on the crash indices. Crash indices. Here is crash. Here the crash is the reverse of the boom. At this point, you want the market to be coming below level 20 and going up and going up. Then there's a cross. Now look at this point here. There's already a going up here. There's a cross here. So you're taking your 5 to 10 candles, taking your 5 to 10 candles on the market right here. Candles. If you have entered somewhere here, you can have taken like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And you get out of the market. Now see the next entry here. This is another entry that happened here, and boom. This is just simple, guys. Right, so if you watch this video very now, see now we have the market coming to level 20 and upside. So once there's a crossover here, we have an entry. Yeah, if that crosses over there, we have an entry. this is not a holy grail, remember. So you have to trade conscious. You have to be conscious when you are trading as well. You have to be conscious while trading, very conscious. All right, now this is just about that. Okay, so go to your demo, practice on this strategy and see how it work for you. Okay, simple as that. And then if you want to join the trading marathon, you can send me a message and join. You want to join our account management, send me a message and you join. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Enjoy.